Welcome everybody. Today we've got an Ugnaught deep in the bowels of Bespin. They kept all the machinery running. Also ran the carbonite chamber, if I'm not mistaken. Got a, what's this? Copyright 1980 Lucasfilm Limited Hong Kong. Got the long hair, got the little piggy snout face looking thing, and his various tools and figures on the front. Otherwise, no real details. I can't remember if he came with any tools or anything. I didn't look that part up. Of course, the most famous Ugnaught recently was in season 1 of The Mandalorian, Quill, however you pronounce it, I can't remember that, and famous for saying, "I have spoken." I could have made this one a short. But, you know, I say they get a good look at him all the way around. It's, you know, anything with a Star Wars brand on it, I was buying back in the day. Y'all, I can't wait to show you some of the things I bought later on once I get through all the action figures. But anyway, that's about all I got for him. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.